Swan Cruise, Bai Tu Long Bay, 2 days, 1 night. Start end Hanoi. Visit Bai Tu Long Bay. Duration 2 days. Travel style, authentic. Tour schedule, daily departure. Cabin 18 cabins. Class 3 star. Tour guide in English. Itinerary. Day 1, Hanoi, Bai Tu Long Bay. Day 2, Bai Tu Long Bay, Hanoi. You can change your accommodation. See the best total price of the program by clicking on the Change Accommodation tab. How to book a real-time quote. 1. Enter your travel date, number of adults, children, tour guide language. 2. Click Calculate your price. 3. The price is the net price, no hidden fee. 4. Select type of transfer. 5. Click Book this tour. Vietnam travel price. Website vietnamtravelprice.com.